I want you to promise me that you'll never give up on yourself. You can do anything you put your mind to. Promise me you won't let anyone steal your joy, please.
I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Now Julio make me a Fulvio. And I might hit your phone up with that rah. Listen my da. Listen that All of this love. Don't wanna ever have to question if you're down for me. But when I wanted you, you didn't really want me. Now the feelings ain't mutual. You let a good girl walk out of your life. The feelings ain't mutual. You know I could've held you down for life. If you're inconsistent, I'ma find someone who isn't. He gon' give me what you're missing, yeah. Boy, get off my line, you're wasting my time, I don't need you. I can call up them guys that's on standby to tell you the truth. Cause the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual, yeah. Hey y'all, from me and Drake. No, but for real. Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog, or welcome to the vlog. It's your girl Tyra D. We back with another vlog. Child, I'm up early. Well, it's not that early, but I'm up early at the mall as soon as they open because I don't feel like being bothered with all the people that are about to show up at this mall. It's 10:24. The mall open at 10, and it's Friday. So yeah, I had to pick up this order from Louis. And I ordered this a couple days ago. Why is it just now getting here? What's taking so long? I did not want to be out here with all these people on a Friday. But anyways, we're gonna get to it. I can't record in the store like that, so I'm gonna try and record some stuff on my phone. Maybe we're gonna see. So yeah, all right.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a I don't really know how to confess my love.
Hey y'all, okay, so I just left the mall real quick, in and out, you know what I'm saying? I put the bag in the trunk because child, I'm not gonna be walking around with that and get baby people don't let it crazy. So anyway, I left the mall. I was not there long. I literally picked up the order and left because I was like, girl, I don't want to get stuck in this Lennox business. It'd be too many people at Lennox. That's why I don't go there. I do not go to the mall, especially not no Lennox. Girl, it'd be, child, they be acting a fool. And it just be too many people. It's just too much. But I'm about to show y'all this place that we found on TikTok. It's called Pop Shelf. Girl, do you know what that is? Do you know what Pop Shelf is?
Okay, before you argue with me.
Hold on. Yeah, don't argue with me. This place, I found this on TikTok. And we finna get in here and see what it's giving. So basically, people are saying it's like a bougie Five Below. Girl, we love a Five Below. We about to see what's getting into it with this store, y'all. Everything's supposed to be like $5 or something, but it's supposed to be giving like a luxury girl aesthetic, like not even that. I don't know. It's like a bougie $5 Target $5 girl. Just we gonna go in, okay? I wanted to show y'all some stuff, but I was gonna just show y'all some TikToks. But girl, please, just we're gonna go in the store. I'm gonna just show y'all what it look like on the outside. There it is. Whoop, there it. Well, first of all, why is the freaking H hanging off, baby? It's already What are we doing already? Dang. All right, let's go inside and let's see what it do, baby. How cute are these? What? I don't know. What would you put in that though? Laundry stuff? Literally, y'all. They have $4. Hold on, let me wipe off, y'all. Is that bad? Okay. Y'all, they have cleaning supplies for $4. If you're moving, come here. Because this stuff is literally so cheap. Oh my gosh, $1. Pine Glow. I guess that's like a generic pass on. I'm sure it do the job though for $1. What? Look how cute these are. These oil containers. Oh my gosh. This stuff is so cute. Oh, y'all, they even got the jars. I love these jars in my kitchen. Y'all better come here and get one of these. Oh my gosh, this stuff is so freaking cute. And this stuff is cheap. $1 for kitchen utensils. And this is a Glade. Wow. I wish I would have known about this store when I first moved. This is a game changer. Are you kidding me right now? Let's see what else they got. Yo, shut up. Grow. They have fridge bins. Now, you know I love a good fridge bin. $5. Wow. Let's see what else they have. Oh, how cute is this stuff? What? These are so cute. Literally, what? The butter. I love this. There's more stuff over there. Look how cute these are. Okay. We're clearly playing Ring Around the Rosy. Sorry, that's really loud. We're clearly playing Ring Around the Rosy today at the stores. I went to Pop Shop. I ain't get nothing though. I don't know. They had some really cute stuff, but I ain't need nothing. I only got one thing, which was like some dishwashing liquid refill. Yeah. I don't know. The rest of the stuff, it was real cute. I really definitely think it's a great place to go as soon as you move because they had all the essentials. I wish I would have known about this place a long time ago. Everything was like $1. The essentials that you need for an apartment, all type of stuff. So I'm gonna definitely make a little TikTok and show the girls everything that you could get there because what? This stuff was real cute too. We're at Target with the vibes. Why are we here? I need to make a list because girl, I'm not doing this today. Every time I go into Target, it's just vibes. And I'll be in there for like 3 hours. Like, why are you in here for 3 hours? What are you really doing? We don't need but like 2 or 3 things. I think we need, let me write this list. We need to get, y'all need to tell me. Listen, when I'm up in there, we can't be in here all day. This is why I went to Target before I went to the grocery store because I knew if I went to the grocery store first and had the groceries in the car, they was gonna be hot. So we're gonna get some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We're gonna get, see, I can't even remember why I'm going in here. I need to get this together before we go up in the store because I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna see y'all in there. Wish me luck.
How is this? How is this? I get so lost over here. How is this organized? How is this?
In case y'all ain't know, the cinnamon raisin bagels here hit. Let's make sure this expiration date is hidden too. We're gonna stick to the list for real. We need some crackers. Let's see, where would they be? Get some milk. Boom. I gotta move, right? Vanilla. Alright, next we're going to get some butter. And what else do we need, y'all? Some bananas. I feel like I should get fresh fruit, like strawberries. Let's see. I'm home, y'all. Okay, so listen. What happened was I came home, put up the groceries, and then I went back out and I went to Walmart, and I didn't feel like bringing the camera, so we just got a couple of things. I feel like I've been grocery shopping all day. First of all, look at this. Do you see that? Kool-Aid yogurt. I was like, it might be nasty, it might be good. Let's try it now. I don't even know. And then I just got some fruit. Ow! God, that just hit me in my nose. I got fruit. And what else did I get? Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip. Peanut butter. And then I really went for this yogurt because they didn't have none in Target. So I was like, girl, so I have to go to Wally World. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to put up these groceries. And then I have some packages here that I got from Amazon that I'm gonna order. I mean, that I'm gonna open up. What did I order? Well, not packages, package from Amazon. No, yes, I do have packages. I gotta show y'all what I brought. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all this pictures. I'm trying to finish decorating my bedroom. It's one thing about moving, because if y'all was watching since I first moved, I don't know what it is about moving. Like, you could think you know what you want it to look like and stuff, but then once you once you hear, you like, what really goes? Like, I don't, sometimes I'll be like, I don't really know how I want to decorate certain things. But these are 3 pictures off of Amazon. Let's see what they give in. I forgot what they look like, to be honest. I think they're white and black. To go over the bed. Ooh. Hold on. Do you see it? Do you see it? Are they all the same thing? These are a good size picture. Wow. Boom. And then, oh, they do all look kind of different. So listen, I'm gonna make a separate video when I decorate my bedroom. Every time I decorate like a room in the house, it's gonna be a separate video because it's gonna be spread out over time. And it's, yeah. So these are 2 of them. I'm gonna add these in my storefront if anybody wanna get them too. This is the 3rd one. Wait, these are huge. Boom. So, I can't even hold them all together. Yeah. But yeah, I'm about to, ooh, Lord. I'm about to low-key put up these groceries, clean up, and then chill. And I got on my Saturdays jacket. It's only right because Saturdays just premiered. There's a new show on Disney Channel. And that was one of the shows that I was working behind the scenes on. So I'm like, girl, it's only right. It comes out today. Clearly when I post this video, it's gonna be after the episode airs. But yeah. Y'all know I work in production and film, so when I'm not in front of the screen, I'm behind it. So yeah, girl, wearing my Saturday's gear today. I'm so excited to see this show. I mean, like when we were filming and stuff, we kind of like saw sneak peeks of like episodes and stuff like that, but to actually be able to turn on the TV and watch it is gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just super excited. I'm about to chill after I put up all this stuff, y'all. So I'm gonna catch y'all later at Alligator.
Cozy. So I decided to get the matching card holder to match my Alma BB, and this is what it looks like. Well, you're gonna see it once I take it out, like the little packaging and everything. But yes, y'all, so it's gonna match perfectly with my purse. Super cute. And I love a cute card holder because I feel like wallets are really bulky and they don't always fit in everything. So yes, yeah, here she is. Yeah.
So we at Sam's Club. I got another cake, but why is it tumbling over like this already? I think it's because of the heat, but I don't know. We need to get it together because I don't have time for this. All right, y'all. Other than the simple fact that the side of this cake is figgity up, I think literally it started melting in the car. Look at that. We just gonna have to do what we gotta do because period, what, period. Booked, blessed, and busy. You know what I'm saying? I got this cake to celebrate the first quarter of the year. I booked not one, but 2 commercials. 2 voiceover commercials. So I said I was gonna start celebrating myself. So I got a cake that said booked, blessed, and busy. Cause your girl is what? Booked, blessed, and busy. You know what I said? And then here goes my gift to myself. And then I'm gonna figure out something to do with this. I don't really know yet, but is it that bad, girl? Yes, it is. If I do something from this way, it's not gonna be as bad. Oh no! And just like that, we are back at Sam's Club with another cake, of course. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm back and child, I couldn't do it with the old cake. I couldn't do it. I had to return it. They made me a new one because the first one was just messed up. Y'all seen it. So we have the same cake, but it looks good this time. I'm about to make some TikToks, stuff like that, because we're celebrating. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all the cake. I'm scared. I don't really want to mess with it, but it says booked, blessed, and busy. Because I told y'all at the beginning of this year, I'm like, we celebrating every win, every accomplishment, all of that. So this first semester, what's it called? Quarter? That's what it's called. The first quarter of the year was super successful for me. So I decided to celebrate myself. I booked not 1, but 2 commercials, 2 voiceover commercials. So I'm super just proud of myself for making these moves in my career. So we get accomplishments, we get a cake. That's what we do. Or popping a bottle or whatever, but we got the cake to celebrate. So yeah, y'all, you're gonna see I'm about to make a little TikTok of me celebrating. I think what I'm gonna do is like kind of make it look like, show the email from my agent that says like, booked, you've booked a da-da-da-da commercial. I can't say the name of the brand yet, but still. But you booked a commercial, and then show me like cutting the cake and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna take some pictures with it first before I cut it because it's so cute, like, yeah. All right, I'm gonna see y'all when I'm doing a little montage of the celebration. The celebration. Yes, y'all, look how cute it is. Now it's not messed up, but she's cute. Yeah, this is real cute. Booked, blessed, and busy. That's what I'm talking about. We love to see it.
If I have one wish, it would be that I could give you just a percentage of the love you've given me. I could never match what you've given me, but I will always try want you to promise me that you'll never give up on yourself. You can do anything you put your mind to. Promise me you won't let anyone steal your joy, please. You're worth it. You're perfect. You're perfect. Do you believe me?
Several days later.
Hey y'all, so I ordered some stuff off of Amazon. These are just some of the groceries. Well, these are all of the ones from Amazon, but not the bag falling. I still need to go to the store and get a couple of things because I don't trust Amazon delivering certain stuff like fresh fruit and stuff because they gave me molded strawberries before. So anyways, we just have some chicken thighs, some frozen strawberries, some breakfast sausage, some veggies to put in a, you know what I'm trying to say. Some lemonade, some pizza. I love my oatmeal. We got stuff for spaghetti, orange juice, and then I'm about to try this recipe that I saw on Instagram. That's why I got that yogurt. I don't usually eat Greek yogurt, but yeah, these sounded like they were gonna be good. Put that on the hot dog bun, and then we got almond milk, regular milk. And yeah, we need to go to the store and get like eggs, bread, fruit. But this is basically what's going on right now. Target got the sales going on. I needed some of this stuff too. We got these for the garbage disposal. Yeah, I'm gonna get those. We got pine sol. I don't really use the plug-ins, but it's a good price for that, $3. I think I'm gonna get these from my car. Oh. What else? If this is on sale, I'm gonna get it. Yeah, it is $3. I think that's it, because we didn't even come in here for that. But also this Lysol. Yeah, probably that too. I love when Target has these candles. Yeah, tourists. Me and my boyfriend are both tourists too, so we gotta add that. We gotta add that. And we got some fruit. I love their fruit. Yo, I love this cart. Oh my god, it just makes it so simple when you bring in the groceries. I'm gonna have it linked in my Amazon storefront if y'all want to pick up one, okay? But let's restock these groceries.
Telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you just find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. It's my love for my grandmother.
Oops.
Make me gentle when I care.
Bloopers.
Tell me you're falling out of love, you're breaking my heart in two. I just don't want to lay in bed. Almost like it didn't happen to make you happy. You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. It's my love for my grandmother made me gentle when I can.
Baby, I forgot what to digs. Not gonna lie.
Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love.
Yeah, it's just something about a fridge restock that it just makes me happy. It just makes me happy, okay? It just looks so aesthetically pleasing.
Alright, I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
The feelings ain't mutual. You let a good girl walk out of your life. The feelings ain't mutual. You know I could've held you down for life.